Hey everyone, this is Usher. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the 13-inch M4 MacBook Air. This is in the new sky blue. I also have the 15-inch variant, so if you're interested in the 15-inch, feel free to check that video out. I also have a few other devices here with me today. This is the M2 MacBook Air, the 15-inch. And I also have the 13-inch M4 iPad Pro. So if you want to see a speed test and a comparison between the M4 MacBook Air, the M2 MacBook Air, and the M4 iPad Pro, let me know in the comments below what videos you want to see next. So let's get started with the unboxing now. And as you can see, this is the 13-inch M4 MacBook Air with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. And it's really nice that now we have 16 gigabytes of RAM as standard, even on the base model. So just looking around the MacBook, here's the bottom. On the left side, we have two USB ports and the MagSafe connector. And on the right side, we have just a headphone jack. So not as many ports as the MacBook Pro series. So the sky blue is a very faint color. You can really only tell that it's blue if you have a white background. So if I put a white object nearby, then you can tell that it's sky blue. But if you don't have a white background, it sort of looks silver. So it's a very mute sort of blue color. So that was the unboxing of the 13-inch M4 MacBook Air. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below what videos you want to see next. See you next time.